Hey, in today's video, I want to share with you how you can create these cool Instagram Reels or TikTok videos using Canva and showing off your digital product or a tutorial inside of a mock-up screen. So let's get started. To get started creating your mock-up reel, you're going to want to go to Canva. You don't need a pro account for this. You can use a free Canva account. So if you need to sign up, you can get a link to that below in the description. And from here, you're going to want to create a design. So you're going to click on create a design and you'll type in Instagram Reel and you'll start with this size. And it's going to open up into a brand new template. So this is the template where you're going to create your Instagram Reel. We don't need to make anything very complicated. This is just going to be a one-page reel design. And really there are only 3 elements you need for this Instagram Reel. You need a product that you're going to mock up. You're also going to need some text or a call to action, and you'll need a video. Now for this reel, we're going to use stock videos right inside of Canva. So you can come over here to elements and you can scroll through the different elements that they have, but we're going to stop at video. So you can click on see all, and I've got a couple that I've shown you in the previous clip of the different videos, but let me show you how I found these. So this one is a horizontal video that I actually just turned sideways to use vertical, and I scaled it to the size of my template. And then I placed a mock-up in front of this video. The other video I used was this one. This is a kind of a cool aesthetic video with a phone already on the screen, but it's going to be really hard for you to use Canva to insert an image into this phone, but I'm going to show you how. But first, let me show you how you can find videos like these. What you'll do is you'll type in background and you'll see a bunch of different videos in here. You can get more specific by putting in other keywords like colors or feelings. And you can also sort by free. So we want to use free videos for this tutorial for anyone who happens to have a free account with Canva. And you can use any of these horizontal videos or vertical videos. And this is where I found that video right here under the search term background. I could probably get more specific, but that's actually where I found this video at. You can also just type in screen mockup and you'll see this screen mockup video here. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this screen mockup and show you how to put the phone on this video. So the way that you do that and mock up your digital product, or maybe you want to mock up a tutorial video or something, you'll come over to elements and you're going to go to frames, and in frames you're going to type in phone. And it'll bring up the phone photo holders here. And you can insert in this frame a video or a photo. So under my uploads, I have some mock-ups here. So I'll just go ahead and drag this image here. So now you'll see if I hit play, it'll play this aesthetic looking video with the phone and my product being showcased. And you can even see that since this already had a phone in it, the shadows are there for the phone and everything, which makes it look really cool. So the last thing we need is text. So I've added, a place for a heading and a subheading, add some more information to the reel. And then the important part, which is the call to action, to read the caption of this reel for more information. And that's really it for this reel video. The only other thing you're going to want to do is probably trim the video to be a little shorter. So when we have less going on the screen, we want these shorter videos like TikToks or Instagram to be shorter than 10 seconds. So I would probably make this video 4 seconds long. Not very long at all, but long enough to capture their attention and create sort of an aesthetic cool look. But really the value of the video is going to be in the caption. Now, if you're looking for additional ways that you can create content to showcase your digital product, I have 9 ideas for you, and you can get a link to that right below this video. I help content creators like you create content for their social media much faster using Canva templates. And so I've created these Canva templates here, and if you want to get your hands on these, you can click the link below this video.